Today I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to N8N so you can automate your workflows effortlessly. This integration allows you to capture new leads, notify your team, enrich data, or create follow-up tasks automatically, saving time and reducing manual errors. Start by adding a HubSpot trigger node in N8N. This defines the events that kickstart your automation, such as a new contact being created or a deal being updated. N8N will automatically register a webhook to make real-time data flow between HubSpot and your workflows. Remember, only one active webhook is allowed per account, so choose your trigger carefully. Next, define the actions that follow the trigger. You can notify your team on Slack, enrich the data with third-party services, or automatically create tasks for follow-ups. This ensures your CRM stays up to date and your team never misses a lead. Finally, test your workflow to ensure everything runs smoothly. Tweak your nodes and actions until the automation fits seamlessly into your business processes. By connecting HubSpot and N8N, you create a system that boosts productivity, improves accuracy, and frees your team to focus on building meaningful customer relationships.